Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Rain, rain, go away.
It's already going, Alex. Look, the sun is breaking through.
Whoa, look at that rainbow. It's huge. But wait, did someone paint the sky?
No paint needed. That is just sunlight and water working together to make magic.
Sunlight and water made that? How?
I'll show you. Let's go to the lab. Okay, secret number 1. Sunlight looks white, right?
Yep, it's definitely white. Or maybe yellowish.
It looks white, but actually, white light is hiding a secret. It is made of every color mixed together.
Wait, if I mix all my paints, they turn brown. How does mixing colors make white?
Light is different than paint. When you mix all the colors of light, they make white. We just need a tool to separate them again. This is a prism. It's a special glass triangle. Watch what happens when I shine white light through it.
No way! The rainbow came out of the glass. You broke the light apart.
Exactly. The glass bends the light. Red bends a little bit, and violet bends a lot. That spreads them out so we can see them.
Okay, I get the glass triangle, but Maya, I don't see giant flying triangles in the sky.
Are you sure? Think about what is floating in the sky right after a rainstorm. Viewers, what acts like a clear piece of glass in the sky after it rains?
Giant flying triangles? The rain, the water drops.
Every single tiny raindrop acts like a mini prism. Let's zoom inside a raindrop. The sunlight goes in, it bends and separates into colors. That is called refraction.
Refraction. Got it. Bending.
Then the light hits the back of the raindrop and acts like a mirror. It bounces. And finally, it leaves the raindrop and bends one more time, shooting the colors right to your eyes.
So the sky is full of millions of tiny mirrors bouncing colors at me?
Yes, and because there are millions of drops, we see a giant arc of color.
I notice the colors are always in the same order. Red is always on top.
That's because red is the strongest color. It bends the least, so it stays on top. Violet bends the most, so it's always on the bottom. Does anyone know the name of the man who helps us remember the color order?
A man? Is it Mr. Rainbow?
No, his name is Roy G. Biv.
Roy G. Biv. That's a funny name.
It stands for the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Since you are a rainbow expert now, let me hit you with some did you know facts. Did you know sometimes there are 2 rainbows at the same time?
Double rainbow? Does that mean double luck?
It just means the light bounced inside the raindrop twice. But look at the second rainbow, Alex. What do you notice about the colors?
Let me look. Whoa, the colors are backward. Red's on the bottom.
Correct. The second bounce flips the colors upside down.
Nature is crazy.
Here's another one. Rainbows aren't actually arches. They're actually full circles.
No way, they always look like a bridge to me.
That's because the ground cuts off the bottom half. But if you were flying high in an airplane, you could look down and see the whole circle of colors.
I want to fly in a plane just to see a circle rainbow. That sounds epic.
All right, Roy G. Biv, let's see if you remember the magic. It's quiz time. Question 1. To see a rainbow, where must the sun be?
In front of me? No. Behind me.
Perfect. Question 2. What happens to the light inside the raindrop?
It bends, then it bounces, then it bends again.
You are on fire. Last question. What is the name of our color friend?
Roy G. Biv.
You passed. And guess what? You can make a rainbow at home without rain.
I can? How?
Just get a glass of water, a piece of white paper, and a flashlight. Shine the light through the water onto the paper, and boom, a tiny rainbow.
I'm totally trying that tonight.
Before we go, let's say our rhyme. When the rain goes away and the sun starts to glow, look for the colors in a giant bow.
When the red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo and violet are waiting for you.
Thanks for watching. Keep looking up.
Bye, everyone.